Oh, yeah, stop.
Oh, they're leaking again?
Yeah, it was pissing out. There's a big old puddle.
Oh, yeah. Right there.
Yeah, you got a pretty good streak.
Damn.
Beauty. Round 3 didn't last for long.
Golly. Well, as you can hear and see, that was Brian working on the car again. That thing is so loud, it's insane. But brakes still aren't working, as you guys saw earlier. But now we are, I'm actually tagging along with Mark and Doug, and we're gonna go to the warehouse where they have a bunch of cars. I actually haven't been there yet, so I'm gonna tag along with them, and we'll see how that goes. And wish me luck, because Mark's driving. So I'm a bit scared, but that's okay. We'll make it, or we won't. I guess we'll find out.
So we've been watching Rose Red. That's a pretty interesting movie.
I've never heard of
a
it.
house that a wealthy guy built for his wife when they first got married, and then later on, it started building itself.
Oh, okay, interesting.
Langoliers.
Oh, it's a Stephen King movie?
Yes, sir.
Huh, that's cool.
Actually, both of these are Stephen King movies.
Gotcha. Did you have a whole tote of movies in there?
Yes.
These guys watching while you drive.
Black Cadillac. Randy Quaid. Can't Go Out Without Night of the Living Dead. Right?
Oh, that's a good one. Yep, that's a classic.
Yep.
That's a good movie.
And then one of Mark's favorites, Happy Days.
Oh, yep. What's the main guy's name in that?
Fonzie?
Yeah, Fonzie. He used to reference him all the time when I was working here.
Hey!
Yeah.
No heck with it. I'm just going to get up with my own drink of water. Okay, everything's okay.
Would somebody speak to me, please?
Hi.
I'm sorry, but my aunt's gone. I'm blind.
Hi. Dougie, say hi. Hi. Okay, she's walking along kind of field because she can't see, Doug. She's blind as a
Hello?
damn
Is
bat.
anybody here? Anybody?
What's her name?
Dana.
Dana. You like Dana's,
please
don't
let
you?
someone be here.
Now she's going to find a wig here in a minute and go crazy. Where's she at? Okay, here comes the wig. Oh, there it is.
Oh my God! Ears! Oh, that's god awful.
It's all right. It's all right.
Why? Why was that done?
I agree with the guy. I think Craig Lewis should run for president.
What the hell are you talking?
Couldn't be any more annoying.
You don't shut your You know, he plays that gay store owner. I don't know if he's an owner, but you know Beverly Hills Cop, the original?
Yeah.
The original, but when he goes into that parlor to see Jenny, he's working there. I think his name is Serge or Sarge or something. He's great in that.
Easiest thing in the world, trust me.
Hi, Hunter.
Hey! Thanks for letting me tag along.
Hell yeah.
We just got to the warehouse. They're unloading this car. Geez, the wind's crazy, but look at all these.
Mark's trunk lid.
Golly, this is sweet. This is the first time I've been in this like warehouse, and this is badass. This is sick. I mean, there's cars everywhere.
Cars and cars.
Yeah. Oh, hey guys, check it out. Look, it's the General Lee. You guys can see there is a lot of work. I mean, it's project car after project car, and I mean, there's more than I can count on hands and toes. So I think they're bringing 2 or 3 more, and then they're done like transferring them over here. And then, you know, you guys see the ones at like the main store, shop, whatever you want to call it. So there's those ones, but yeah, then there's all of these. It's car galore out here. Is it the VIN number that you're looking at?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Would you call that green or gold? Green.
Looks pretty green to me. Could be a faded gold, I guess.
Yeah.
You have to go over here to turn the rest of them off.
Yeah, they're kind of wonky the light.
It's a pretty big shop though.
Yeah, it's a good sized shop, no doubt. Lots of room. Yeah, we got room to work on them over here. I'm thinking about sticking a metal guy or 2 over here. Because that's what we're, the furthest behind is metal and mud.
I see.
So we've got to get help from metal and mud. That's what we're looking for. So tell all your little followers out there.
Yeah.
We're looking for metal guys and mud guys.
You guys heard it. Apply.
Apply here.
We made it back from the warehouse As you guys can see, I was lucky enough to survive, thank God. Thought it was a super cool experience though. I haven't been to that warehouse before, so seeing all of the cars that they like, you know, are gonna work on in the future and kind of all the plans they have is pretty cool. But now that we're back at the shop, apparently there was a car that Mark bought that, I don't know if he's restoring it or exactly what the plan is. I think he is trying to like sell it outright. And at the time it's like kind of starting, not quite turning over those. So I believe Marty's working on that. So we're gonna go see, you know, his progress with that and kind of what he's doing to jumpstart it.
This motor is stuck and the pistons don't want to slide up and down the cylinders.
Okay.
So I'm trying to heat it and then spray it with WD-40, and when it cools down, it will suck the WD-40 down into the ringlands. And it makes the aluminum swell up and shrink, which hopefully the combination of the heating and cooling will let the pistons come loose so we can get this thing to turn over.
Yeah, that'd be sweet.
It looks like it's in pretty decent condition and it should run if we can get it to move.
So there's the engine of the car that was being worked on. I guess I missed the memo because they took the engine out of the whole car, but they didn't get it to run. So now they're working on getting like different parts from different engines to then try and rebuild that one to where it'll run again. So we'll see how that goes.
Is right here, this part. You can see that it's a little bit greater over here than it is on the other side, number one. Two is this pinch right here where the A pillar and the B pillar meet and has collapsed. That's a result of the direct hit. All your close-up stuff that you had?
Yes, I did. And so if there's any other pickups that you want me to
Yeah, if you want to go ahead and get it through here.
Yeah, if you're open to
So that was some of the behind the scenes footage of Mark talking about a Superbird. I think that's the 4th or 5th one that like Graveyard Carz has had. That's for the new season. So yeah, it's pretty cool, little wrap up. But yeah, I mean, there's another day here at Graveyard Carz, and if you guys enjoy this type of stuff and you want to see more of it, let us know in the comments below. Like it up so we can, you know, maybe make more videos like this. And yeah, I mean, that's about it. We will see you guys in the next one. Thank you.
Hey everybody, Will Scott, #1 painter here from Graveyard Carz. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you go in, like it, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now I'm gonna get back to painting.